not your typical chicken barbecue. Lots of spices there, flavorful, oily, but good flavor.
Correct. Very juicy guys na parang yung ex ko lang dati.
Like this, recommend.
So, good morning mga ka-mindset. We have another exciting at masarap na vlog guys. That's actually Rock. Dito lang sa Rocky's Food Park. We are actually located here sa Banawa. It's right across First Auto Gas Station. The same owner with Hyderabad. So, kaway-kaway naman dyan. And shout out to Ma'am Raquel. Thank you very much for inviting us. Ito po yun. So, I'm pretty sure that you would like to know more about this. Another restaurant po ni Ma'am Raquel. So, ano pa hinihintay nyo? Nagugutom na kayo and tara let's! Good evening mga ka-mindset. We're actually here and very welcome and we are very happy kasi again, we are invited ni Ma'am Raquel. So of course, as you can see sa ating vlog last time with Hyderabad and the same owner, actually yung sister niya na may dito na.
Yeah, si Ma'am Dote.
Ma'am Dote. We're very much thankful. Thank you once again, Ma'am Raquel. And guys, to know more about, of course, yung pinaka-rock Rocky's Food Park dito sa Banawa. Of course, with help of one and only, yung, of course, moreno at guwapo na chef, Chef John!
Hi.
Alright.
Manang gabi.
Hello, Chef John. How are you, Chef?
Okay naman, I'm fine. Medyo pagod pero sulit naman.
Talaga, totoo. So, how do you feel po? Ito yung pinaka-grand opening nyo
Yeah,
tonight, no?
apa.
So, how do you feel so far?
So warm. Dahil yung pagkain daw ko daw masarap, may tsamba naman konti.
Yes. I definitely agree guys. Yung nakikita nyo kanina yung pinakain natin. No? One of my favorite na niluto ni Chef is yung balbacua
Yes.
and caldereta.
Yes.
Ayun. So they actually made up of different pagluto nun until na perfect nila.
Yes.
Right? So Chef, you already had experiences with other restaurants in hotels. And then how you were able to know Ma'am Dote Rocky's?
Actually, kapapasok ko lang mag-isang buwan pa lang ako dito. Galing akong Manila, so galing akong Pampanga. Tinatanong nila ako kung marunong ba daw ako magluto ng ganyan, ng mga Cebuano cuisine. But actually, Cebuano talaga ako.
Cebuano.
Pero doon lang ako sa Manila, culinary at saka ng mga...
Yung love life mo doon.
Dito na lang.
Alright. So thank you very much for that, Chef. And Chef, you are open from what time?
Nag-open pa kami dito ng 10 ng umaga hanggang 10 ng gabi. So actually, ang food park is 4 p.m. to 11.
11 p.m. So that's from Tuesdays
to Sunday.
Alright. So what would they expect yung mga customers natin? Ano ba yung originality ng Rocky's Food Park na wala sa iba?
Yung lasa ng talagang authentic Cebuano caldereta, authentic Cebuano pochero at saka yung balbacua. Authentic yung lasa niya at saka masarap at saka malambot.
Also guys, if you are looking for, aside from the Filipino foods that they offer, they actually yung katabi ng Rocky's, we do also have Hyderabad. If you're looking for authentic Indian cuisine. So andito lang po yun, no? Sa Banawa, it's across First Auto Gas Station dito sa Banawa. If you'd like to know more about that, I'll be putting the FB page link dito sa description box natin. And Chef, I'm pretty sure our viewers would like to takam and they would like to eat out na. Do you also have deliveries?
Yeah, we have Food Panda. Kindly check the page of Hyderabad sa Food Panda.
Can you please invite them?
Okay, invite ko po kayo sa lahat ng mga Cebuano or sa ibang lugar ng buong Pilipinas. Baka makapunta kayo dito ng Cebu. So, try yung pagkain ng Rocky's Food Park. Bago pa lang ngayon mag-open. So, I hope mapasyal kayo. Masarap na pagkain at authentic yung lasa.
for how many minutes or hours?
Usually it's 2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours.
Caldereta country. This one is soup. Sa Butero.
Okay.
So, ang ilim ang Butero niya. So, this one is balbacua. Parang ano siya, almost 6 hours.
Sorry.
Yan siya kaubok. Parang siya kaubok na tayo. So, yung texture, perfect. So, ang balbacua, okay. Na-reserve na siya. Tulong tayo. And then dadabog. Isa mo na, sir?
Ah, sige. May serve na ito? Sige, sige. O kami, tagsa, palo man eh.
Okay. Okay na, sabi na ako ka lang. Ako? Wala. Bawi. And then, okay. Caldereta canting mo. Canting.
What's up mga idol? So, welcome to the Idol Food Trip and welcome to
Rocky's Food Park.
yeah, so,
Yeah, and also guys, JmT Mindset and Idol Food Trip collaboration.
yeah, so we are now here at what Idol Chip Mindset JMT Mindset said. As what I've mentioned in the intro earlier, no? So again, this is our first collaboration with JmT Mindset himself.
Yes, and also to Idol Food Trip. Ayun.
So, ikaw Idol Jim, anong unahin mo?
Sige, let's try the chicken. Oh, tag-isa tayo. Ayun.
Jim.
Ayun.
So cheers.
Cheers. Ayun.
First bite.
First bite. Let's try.
Oh, good.
Sarap, no?
Napaka-juicy. Very soft, very tender chicken. Not your typical chicken barbecue. Lots of spices there, flavorful, oily, but good flavor.
Correct. Very juicy guys. Na parang yung ex ko lang dati.
Like it, recommend. And next we're about to taste the pork barbecue. The juice.
Ah.
So this is their...
Para sa ekonomiya, tag-isa kami.
Thank you, thank you. This is their special pork barbecue.
Okay, go.
Ooh. I like the flavor of the pork. Tender. The texture is good. And the
Good
spices,
taste.
it's a coating.
Good taste. So kahit may braces guys, laban lang, no? Also, by the way, I would like to thank you, doctors, Lorna Sabandal and Dr. Christine Sabandal, Dental Clinic for my braces. Thank you so much.
Uy, Idol Jim, nakalimutan natin yung favorite mo. ASMR, ginamos. Paparazzi sa gilid, Idol. Picture kami kasi sikat daw kami doon sa gilid. It's okay, it's okay.
Mamaya na yung autograph. Uy, sarap ng ano, no?
Sarap ng ginamos nila. Ano Tagalog yung ginamos, Idol Jim?
Good question. Good question.
Salamat.
Yo.
Mabait na mga ano dito. Very accommodating.
Good customer service.
So next we're going to try their ano siya yung Idol Jim?
Kutsero,
Kutsero daw.
go.
Okay.
Laban.
Sige, so paano ba ito hatiin? So ito yung kutsero nila. Wow, sarap tignan. Laki ng kutsero nila.
Yes, big portion guys. Talagang sulit guys, no? Tamba pork barbecue, even the chicken barbecue guys. Malalaki yung portion sila, so very worth it and sulit po yun guys.
So Idol Jim, hindi ko pa nagamit yung tinidor ko. So bibigyan ko ito sa'yo.
Sure. Laban. Thank you so much. I love you, Idol. Let's taste.
Let's try their steak kutsero nila.
Yun, tumutulo guys.
Oh, ano yan? Oh, sorry. Kain lang. So,
Okay, go. Sarap.
definitely melt in your mouth.
Yeah.
Mouth.
Correct. Next, we have the caldereta, and we're very excited to taste this. Yeah.
Caldereta is your typical, I'm not sure if this is goat or beef, so it's typical beef stew.
Yes.
Basically, soup is tomato sauce with vegetables and meat. So, titikman na natin first yung broth.
Sure.
Okay. Oh, napaka-sticky and soft. Alright.
Ayun.
Wow. Spicy broth. Very smooth. Lapot, malapot talaga dito. Masarap. Fairness.
Jaja, may ano siya, no? Taste of something like spicy ng konti.
Of course, there's a bit kick. So the spices is really perfect. So good job with the caldereta. Let's try their balbacua in Rockies food bar.
Okay.
Sige, Idol Jim, sabay mo ha. Itlog or... Basically, balbacua, depende lang yan. It's not typically soup number 5 or tinatawag nila na food, but it's just meat, skin of the Of course, as we know, very sneaky. Ay, kaya dulo.
Laki yung serving, no?
Yun. Try na natin.
Sarap. Very distinct yung taste, guys. It's really balbacua, no? Even if you close your eyes. Sarap.
What you call this?
This is the chicken samosa.
Dili rin si empanada? Have you try?
Daily Idol. So, it looks like an empanada, but actually that is galing po sa India. They actually have Indian authentic taste. So this is inside this is chicken samosa. Yes. This is correct. Parang yung correct. This is perfectly paired.
Binidyo tayo.
Nakakaya nun.
Anyway, so looking forward. So, it comes with a tamarind sauce daw.
Tamarind sauce. Yun. Tikman natin.
Tikman natin. Introduce natin mamaya yung iba. So, kunin mo yung pinakamaliit.
Ayun, sa'yo yung pinakamalaki. At ito yung pinakamaliit. Okay, go.
Sige. Cheers.
Ah!
Sarap, no?
You dip it and you taste it.
So, hindi nyo nakikita.
Oo nga eh.
Kasi natin. Alright, first bite.
Crunchy.
Hindi pa nga natapos eh. Sarap na.
Laki ng bite niya, no? Hindi masyadong gutom.
Pero hindi kinakain kanina pa. Sarap nila. Wow. I can taste the Indian spice.
Correct.
I cannot describe specific ingredients, but all I know is chicken. Meron yung chicken.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Dylan Dre. Follow my Instagram, Twitter, ABC Dylan Dre Z.
So guys, just click on page JmT Mindset para sa lahat ng mga subscribers dyan. I-click nyo to.
Thank you very much for your time and
Thank you,
we really
thank you.
appreciate and hope to see you again.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you soon.